Hello, my name is Olav Krøger, and I'm a designer in LEGO Star Wars.
Hi, my name's Matt Boyle, and I'm a graphic designer in the LEGO Star Wars team.
And we have worked together on this TIE Fighter. I built the model, and Matt has done the graphic.
Yeah, it's a really nice model, Olav, but is there some better way of displaying it?
Yeah, well, I also made a stand for it. You can always put your TIE Fighter in that position you want to display it. I can also show you the hatch, so you can open it and watch down here.
The stand's also very nice in the fact that we have this space here for the minifigure. So right along next to it, you can see everything you want to see in one go, and then the 360 gives you the option of seeing it from all angles.
Yeah. What have you done of the graphics here?
Well, we have a fully decorated hatch and a cockpit at the front, as well as some stickers for some exterior details and interior details. There's also some design information down here at the bottom, which details the facts about the TIE Fighter. And then we also have this exclusive minifighter. It's not just X-Wing pilots that are unique. Sometimes there's some TIE pilots in the original 3 movies that have their own little details, and this is one of them. It also is very unique in the fact that it has decorated arms, which is something we've not done on a TIE pilot before.
That's absolutely amazing. What about the specifications on the stand? Are they from Lucas, or was it just something you guessed?
No, these are actually the official stats of the TIE Fighter given us by Lucas. It entails everything from the types of engine the TIE Fighter has, the weapon system on board, even the size and scale of it, which is fantastic information for real Star Wars fans to know. So Olav, the wings on this model are quite heavy. How did you manage to fix them to the model like this?
Well, you're not the first one who asked me about that, and I would like to show you that. We have the wings here. There's 2 hinges here. Then you take the body and put it down here, and then you fold these in, and then you have these 2. These you put down here like that, and then it's actually pretty much closed.
Voila!
So what do you think, Matt?
Well, I think it's a fantastic model, Olav. I hope the folks at home do too.
Yeah, and I also want it, and I really imagine how to fly it. So
give it a spin.